Hello everyone. Hope you are doing great. Today I will show you how you can take leave from any of your Google family member account. If you are a member of any family account and you want to take a leave from that account, you just need to follow this video's step what I am showing you now. So to take a leave from your family group Google account, just you need to click your Google account. Just click here and then you need to click people and sharing button and then click here view family group, and you will see all of the group members or family members are available here with a manager who is managing this account. So this is the family manager account and these three are the member. So this is my account. I need to click my account as a member, and now I need to click here leave family group. Once you click here, you will need to verify your account, placing your password or email ID, and once done you left from this group. So I am giving you how it. So now click the leave button and done. You left from the group member. Now you are not in the group member of your Google family account. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.